Good morning, students. After a long weekend for me, yes, we are going to start with remaining illustrations of S7, and today we'll start with S9 first. S9 is very important one, so S7 questions we will take it at the end of the session. Remaining questions and S9 we are going to start with. So, friends, before starting today's session, let's quickly revise our basics, fundamentals. Yes, new student, always welcome. Samiran. Yes. Vijay Kumar. विजय कुमार अनम्यूट तो किया है आपने बट यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल. करण बेटा, वुड यू लाइक टू टेक रिवीजन?
Okay, sir.
यस, स्टार्ट बेटा.
Traditional approach,
हम्म,
due
हाँ.
relationship,
जल्दी करना बेटा, सिर्फ रिवीजन है.
debit the debtor, credit the creditor,
हम्म.
settlement relationship,
हम्म.
debit the receiver, credit the giver, where debtor becomes
हम्म.
giver, creditor becomes receiver, real
रियल.
account,
हम्म.
debit what comes in, credit what goes out,
हम्म.
nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain, modern approach,
हम्म.
income, income credit balance,
हम्म.
liability credit balance,
वेरी गुड.
asset debit balance, expense debit balance, and capital credit balance.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Accounting standard
हम्म.
AS1 disclosure of accounting policy,
हम्म.
2 valuation of inventory, 3 cash
हम्म.
flow statement, 4 contingencies and liability,
कंटिजेंट लाइबिलिटीज, प्रोविजंस.
contingencies and
कंटिजेंट, सॉरी, क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
AS4
Contingencies and events occurring after balance sheet date.
contingencies and event occurring after balance sheet date,
Hmm.
5 net profit or loss for the period prior period item and changes in accounting policy, 6 remove, 7 construction contract, 8 remove, 9 recognition, 10 PPE, 11 uh,
Effects of changes in foreign exchange
effects of
rates.
changes in foreign exchange rate, 12 accounting for government grant, 13 accounting for investment,
संगम. करेक्ट है
14
बेटा.
accounting for amalgamation, 15 employee benefit, 16 borrowing cost, 17 segment reporting,
हाँ.
18 segment
Related party disclosures.
related party disclosure, 19 leases, 20 EPS,
चार.
21 consolidated financial statement,
हम्म.
22 accounting for taxes on income, 23 accounting for investment in associated in consolidated financial statement, 24 discontinued operation, 25 uh, interim financial reporting, 26 intangible asset, 27 financial reporting on income in joint venture, 28 impairment of asset, 29 provision, contingent liability and contingent asset. Balance sheet pro forma,
हाँ.
equity and liability, shareholder fund,
हाँ.
share capital, reserves and surplus, money received against share warrant,
हम्म.
share application money pending allotment,
हम्म.
non-current liability, long-term borrowing,
हम्म.
deferred tax liability, uh,
Other long-term
other
liabilities.
long-term liability and long-term provision, current liability, short-term borrowing, trade payable, other current liability and short-term provision. Asset, non-current asset, PPE, intangible asset,
Capital WIP.
capital WIP, intangible asset under development,
Hmm.
deferred tax liability, other
Non-current investment.
non-current investment, other
Deferred tax
uh,
asset, long-term loans and advances, other
deferred tax
non-current
asset,
assets. लाइबिलिटी
long-term
कहाँ पे आ गए बेटा? एसेट साइड चालू है, फोकस करो.
sorry, non-current asset, uh,
करंट एसेट्स.
current asset, CIT, CSO, current investment, inventory, trade receivable, cash and cash equivalent, short-term loans and advances, and other current asset.
क्या आपको लगा? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विथ यू?
सर फर्स्ट टाइम बोल रहा हूँ तो उसके लिए थोड़ा नर्वस हो गया था।
नर्वस है? ओके. और
मतलब जो याद था वो भी याद नहीं आ पा रहा था।
रिवीजन 3.5 मिनट में होना चाहिए था, से 4 मिनट. वार्म अप है
यस।
हमारा, मॉर्निंग वार्म अप. आपने वो 7 मिनट्स लिया ऑलमोस्ट. इट्स
यस।
ओके. इट डजेंट मैटर. आप बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू आंसर इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. बहुत अच्छे से आंसर्स दिए. एंड मेक श्योर नेक्स्ट सेशन में और अच्छे से स्पीड में बताओगे. ओके.
यस।
स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड AS7? इजी विजुअल. हमने पूरे
यस सर,
क्वेश्चंस
गुड
कंप्लीट किए
मॉर्निंग।
थे बेटा, क्या था?
हाँ सर, आपने होमवर्क के लिए दिए थे, बचे एक दो क्वेश्चंस थे।
इजी थे क्या डिफिकल्ट थे?
हाँ सर, इजी थे, हो गए थे सारे। मेरे पीवाईक्यूज भी हो गए सर।
PYQ भी हो गए? आए PYQ क्या? कुछ नहीं आए?
आ गए सर, थोड़े बहुत, एक दो नहीं आए।
एक दो नहीं आए. चलो, सेम टेक्निक वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो.
यस सर, रेवेन्यू रिकॉग्निशन।
रेवेन्यू रिकॉग्निशन, हैव यू रेड?
यस सर।
इजी डिफिकल्ट?
हाँ सर, इजी था लेकिन उससे थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगा मुझको, कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से। मे भी शायद आप समझाओगे तो आ जाएगा।
ओके. सुष्मिता, यस.
Sir, I have a doubt in AS7. I was solving the TYK question MCQs. There, 4 and 5 I was
Yes,
not
1 minute. We will take it at the end
in.
after 8:30.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So till that we can cover AS9 because today's target is AS9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which MCQ? Can you tell me?
4 and 5.
Okay. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. चलो. Those students who want to answer, please raise your hand. Who wants to develop their thinking? अंजुम,
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
आप क्यों नहीं हैंड रेज करते बेटा कभी?
सॉरी सर।
करते जाओ ना, थोड़ा ट्राई करने में क्या दिक्कत है?
ओके सर। सर बात ये है कि मेरे पिछले के क्या नाम सेशन रह चुके हैं ना, अभी पीछे तबीयत खराब हो गई
तो
थी इस
अभी
वक्त।
तो ठीक है ना, अभी ये स्टैंडर्ड का पिछले स्टैंडर्ड से कोई संबंध नहीं है.
ओके
हैव
सर।
यू कंप्लीटेड AS7?
नहीं सर, अभी नहीं किया।
नहीं किया? कोई बात
नहीं
नहीं,
सर।
चलो ठीक है. यस. सुष्मिता, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू.
Yes, sir.
नाउ assume you paid me for coaching classes. Example. Now think from my angle. You paid
Yes,
me
sir.
for coaching classes. You have taken some admission. You have taken admission for some subjects. Now, when should I record this as my income? when you are taking admission. Second one, after completion of our coaching, that is after 4 months, 5 months, when our batch is getting over, or should I record it proportionately? If suppose there is 31st March in between, if there is a cutoff date, then should I record my income on proportionate basis? Means up to 31st March
Proportionately.
in last year and after 31st March ka whatever duration is left, I will provide it in next year. I will record it in the next year, that income.
Yes, sir. Proportionately.
Okay. So proportionately. Your answer is proportionately. Sumit, what is your answer?
सर प्रपोर्शनेट बेसिस पे करेंगे ना एक्चुअल कॉन्सेप्ट के अकॉर्डिंग.
Okay. Wagya, what is your answer?
Sir, for this, I think it will be proportionate.
Visual?
Sir, proportionate.
No. As per, yes, accrual concept, I should record it on the proportionate basis. But now tell me, Sushmita, whether you have any choice. If suppose you didn't like my sessions, can I pay you your money back?
If there is a refund policy, then yes, sir.
No, there is no refund. See, in coaching classes, how it's
How?
your choice. You are taken
Hmm.
admission.
Hmm.
Okay, and suppose you have seen some demo lectures, and after that, if you are not satisfied with our sessions, then I cannot give you refund. You can
Hmm.
complain me. I can improve my session quality. That is only going to happen, but
Hmm.
refund will not be there. Okay, and I can add their note. कि once you have taken admission, you cannot get refund. So in that case, it will be not on proportionate basis, but when you are paying me, I will record it my income. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So revenue recognition is very difficult task in real life. When you are selling goods, when should you record the revenue? When you get the sales order. Second, when goods are dispatched. Third, when goods are ready to dispatch. Fourth, when we have given the possession of that goods. Fifth, when ownership is transferred, risk and rewards are transferred. So there is confusion how to record revenue in case of sale of goods and in case of rendering of services. Third revenue generation is might be my interest. I have invested somewhere and I'm getting interest on that. That is my revenue. How to record that revenue? Dividend. I invested in shares. How to record dividend? And royalty. How to record royalty? Suppose I have written some books for ICAI and ICAI is selling those books and I'm getting royalty for every book, every sale. So that amount, how to recognize in the books of accounts? So this is very difficult in real life. Therefore, we are having uniformity for accounting standard, uniformity for recording income, and we are having accounting standard 9 to suggest how to record revenue in our books. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So how many income I already told you? One
Sale
is
of goods,
very good, sale of goods,
rendering of service, and
rendering of services, very good,
and interest, royalty, dividend.
interest, royalty, and dividend. Correct. Commission is also one of the income.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if I am running a restaurant, um, I am having Zomato on board, or I have taken the services of Zomato. What Zomato is doing? They are picking food from my spot and delivering it to the customer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, whether Zomato will record it as a purchase and sale, or whether Zomato will record it as only commission.
Commission.
Okay. Why not as purchase and sale?
Because they are not selling, I mean, they are not the restaurant who is making it. Ownership of the goods is not with them.
Very good. Another point, if you are, assume, agent who is booking air tickets, okay, means you
Yes, sir.
know that normally this travel agent, what they do, they block some tickets 6 months back, 8 months back, and then sorry, 8 months before, and after that they are going to sell those tickets to their customer
Yes,
with
sir.
some higher charges. Okay, so now you tell me, those agents will record only profit as as an income, or they will record it as purchase and sale?
Purchase and sale.
Why?
Because they are purchasing the tickets. If any loss is there, they will only take loss.
Okay, now this is very, obvious answer. Yes, you are correct. Suppose in case of Zomato, if goods are unsold, it is the responsibility of the seller to take it back. It is not the responsibility of the Zomato person. So Zomato is only the connection between buyer and seller. Correct? In case of second example, if tickets are unsold, then that responsibility of closing tickets, or that tickets which are not sold, is wholly on agent, and therefore that is called as purchase and sales. If responsibility of selling tickets is of the seller for unsold tickets, then it will be recorded as commission. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने जो दो एग्जाम्पल दिए, ये कौन से दो दिए समझ लीजिए एक बार. पहला एग्जाम्पल था, जोमेटो जो है वो अपने से गुड्स लेके जाते हैं रेस्टोरेंट ओनर से और जाके बेचते हैं, मतलब डिलीवरी देते, बेचते नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे जोमेटो की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये बेचने की नहीं है, सिर्फ कलेक्शन करना और वहां जाके बायर को गुड्स दे देना, बस यही है. तो ये केस में पहले तो ये परचेस सेल करके वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेगा जोमेटो वाले इसको कमीशन करके रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. मैंने सेकंड एग्जांपल जो दिया था वो एयर टिकट्स का दिया था. यहाँ पे एक ट्रैवल एजेंट है, वो 6 महीने पहले ही टिकट्स बुक कर देता है. टिकट्स बुक करने के बाद वही टिकट्स वो अपने कस्टमर को बेचता है, और टिकट्स नहीं बेचे गए तो ये ट्रैवल एजेंट की जिम्मेदारी होगी कि वो टिकट्स को कैसे उसको बेचे, या नहीं बेचे गए तो वो उसका लॉस है, ये ध्यान में रखो. तो ये केस में ट्रैवल एजेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी और नॉट कंपनी या एयर सर्विसेज जो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं होगी. तो यहाँ पे ट्रैवल एजेंट ये टिकट्स को परचेस और सेल करके बुक करेगा और सिर्फ कमीशन इनकम नहीं बताएगा, ये ध्यान में रखिए. तो यहाँ पे जिम्मेदारी किसकी है ये चेक करना है. यदि सेलर के ऊपर ही पूरी जिम्मेदारी है तो ये सेलर की जिम्मेदारी होगी, तो वो एजेंट कमीशन करके ये रिकॉर्ड करता है. एंड यदि वो जिम्मेदारी एजेंट की होती है, यदि अनसोल्ड गया तो वो केस में वो परचेस सेल रिकॉर्ड करता है. एनी डाउट इन दिस एग्जाम्पल? तो रेवेन्यू रिकॉग्निशन इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. व्हेन टू रियलाइज द इनकम, ये थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है. एनी डिफिकल्टी, एनी वन? I think Sumit Wagya और विजुअल को no difficulty. Correct है? चलो first example. Yes, Sushmita, read.
Yes, sir. Sigato runs a food delivery business. As per the arrangement, Sigato allows customers to order food from local restaurants and is responsible the delivery of the food within stipulated time. During a particular year, it collects the money on orders made online as under. Total price for the
So
food items.
Zagato Image received 300 lakhs and orders were delivered to the customer in stipulated time. How much revenue should be recognized by the restaurant? तो restaurant कितना recognize करेगा?
Restaurant, sir.
हाँ.
Restaurant will recognize 200 lakhs.
Whether they will record only 200 lakhs?
And
Whether they will
also
record delivery
GST.
charges as income?
No, sir.
See, restaurant is going to charge these delivery charges to the customer. Okay. Restaurant किसको charge करेगा?
Customer.
हाँ. Now see the answer. Restaurant will record the income full because they are going to charge it to customer. And delivery charges, they will record it as expense. And 40 lakhs is a liability which is going to pay to the government. Hence, this is not the part of your revenue. But now what happens if you are in the composition scheme, that 5% is your GST. So in that case, that 300 collection will be recorded as income and 40 lakhs will be recorded as expense afterwards. You're getting my here
Yes.
concept ki what I am going to record. I am going to record GST as a part of income. GST input and output, I am not getting the credit for that. So I will not record GST as separate head. In restaurant business, I will give you example for restaurant business. They are in composition scheme. They are not in the, they directly have to pay 5%. If you see on that, they're not getting any benefit of any input services. Okay. So input services, if they are paying some GST, they are not taking any benefit of that. Therefore, remember, whole income will be credited to sales and GST will be treated as expenses. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So they will record 300 as income, delivery charges as expense, and GST as expense. So they won't record only 200 as the income. So in real life, remember GST, when you cannot say GST as income, if you are taking input benefit. Okay, so your GST output and GST input is going to set off. Then you won't record it as income. Then what entry you will pass?
Okay.
Bank account debit to sales 200 lakhs, 260 lakhs, to GST output will be 40 lakhs. If you are taking benefit of set off, if no benefit of set off, so you will record bank account debit to sales 300 lakhs. Have you completed your GST? Sushmita?
GST is still going on, sir.
Okay, GST. But you know the
Yes, sir.
concept
Can
of
you hear
set
me?
off and set off or credit taken?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is credit taken? So can you tell me entry if you are taking credit?
GST.
If you are taking credit, So your entry will be bank account debit to sales to output GST. Because output GST, because on sales you have to pay to government. So that GST is going to set off. But it is for when you are taking credit. So this entry we have to pass normally. So in case of sales, our entry will be bank account or debtors account debit to sales to output SGST to output CGST. But in restaurant business, credit is not available. Restaurant business, credit is not available. Therefore, entry will be bank account debit to sales. 300, 300. Here 300, 260 and 40. You got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Let's say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
In restaurant business, credit is not available. Afterwards, what happens? When you are getting credit, you will pass entry, purchases account debit, input GST account debit to bank.
Yes, sir.
For purchases, we are taking credit, correct? And then whatever difference between output GST and input GST, if output GST is greater, we will pay to government. And if output GST is lesser, we will carry forward it to the whatever difference to the next year. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now your GST entries are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. One more time. Can you tell me entry for GST?
While taking credit, we will debit bank account or debtors account to sales to output GST.
No, this is
And
not taking credit. Taking credit
Hmm.
is output GST account debit to input GST.
Huh.
Okay. These entries is at the time of sales. Sale. And taking credit entry will be output GST to input GST. If you are taking credit, so you will keep GST account separately.
Yes, sir.
And if you are not taking credit, GST will be a part of
Part of our sales.
sales. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Huh.
Yes. So, if we are going to take credit, then when say during sale recognition, bank account or debtors account debit to sales to output GST, and when there is a purchase account debtor input GST account debtor to bank or creditor, and at the time of taking credit, output GST debtor to input GST.
Very
And
good.
if we are not going to take any credit, then bank account or debtors account debit to sales account.
And what about GST collected?
GST
Whatever
will be
GST collected will be treated as expense.
expense.
Whatever GST collected, you have to
Will
pay
be
it
taken
as
as
expense.
expense.
So for that, you have various returns. Okay. Challans through you will pay and will means you have that R1 R2 सब आपको इसमें समझ में आएगा in your GST subject. Everything is related to accounts finally that you have to understand.
Yes, sir.
So GST also related to
Accounts.
accounts. If your accounts are not clear, then GST will not be clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yes, in GST subject, whether your faculty explain you GST entries or GST entries you are not
Yes, sir.
aware.
They have explained, sir.
GST entries already completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Because when I learned my GST, indirect tax, at that time there was no GST.
Mm.
At that time there was central tax, CST, and central sales tax, and then VAT is applicable. Do you know what is VAT? Value added tax. So for every state, they are charging VAT. So what is the problem? Do you know what is exactly the problem is?
There, I think central tax and state tax can get set off.
No, that is the problem. No, that is today also we are not getting the setup of central sales tax and state sales tax. The problem is that rates are different. VAT
Okay.
rate is different. VAT is decided by the government, state government. So VAT is different for different states. Okay. At that
Yes.
time, VAT was different for different states. And your CST is also there, central sales tax. And then there is always a fight between central and state, whether this will be a revenue of state or whether this will be a revenue of central. So now both are taking money from us, but at the same rate. Okay.
Yes.
Ha. So, and remember, if you want to run your economy properly, so it's always better to rely on indirect tax instead of direct tax.
Direct
Okay.
tax.
So you might be aware of that some Arab countries they are not having direct tax because their whole income they are collecting it from the
Indirect tax.
indirect tax. Okay. और इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स में क्या होता है कुछ चोरी करना ही नहीं होता है क्यों नहीं होता है बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज टू पे दैट कोई गरीब पैसे वाला ऐसा नहीं है तो चोरी करना बहुत दिक्कत नहीं आती है तो वो इसलिए इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट तो ये मैं इतना डिटेल में क्यों बता रहा हूँ थोड़ा बहुत आपको पास्ट में क्या होता था वो बता रहा हूँ might be you are aware of these stories I don't know your GST faculty already explained you all these things properly I'm not the right person to explain it तो taking credit versus not taking credit, you understood entries.
Yes, sir.
If you are not taking credit, then GST is a part of your
Expense.
expense and sales.
Sales.
First, you will record it as sales, and then when you are paying it, you will record it as expense. But if you are taking set off, so where you will keep this GST in your duties and taxes head, and that will be shown either other current liabilities or it might be other current assets, or some people may shown it as advances, short-term loans and advances to the government. It is
Okay.
advance given to the government.
Yes, sir.
If your input GST is greater, and if your output GST is greater, it is your other current liability.
Other.
Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So while writing the answer, now you understood. So the Zomato will record it as, Zigato will be recorded it as commission. They will record only 60 lakhs as the income. Okay, and that person will be recording this 300 as restaurant owner. He will record 300 as the
Income.
sales income.
Income.
And why he is not recording GST as income? Why he is recording GST as income? Because he is not in the category of taking set off
Yes.
or credit. Set off means credit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So write down this answer first. Yes, I will give you screenshots. First you complete. So any difficulty in understanding?
No, sir.
तो जोमेटो वाले क्या रिकॉर्ड करेंगे
Zomato delivery charge.
डिलीवरी चार्जेस एज इनकम और ये बंदा रेस्टोरेंट ओनर कितना रिकॉर्ड करेगा इनकम
300.
वेरी गुड चलो टेकन
Yes, sir.
सेकंड क्वेश्चन रीड इट
AB sells goods to CD on 1st March 20x1.
अच्छा 1 minute yes I forgot to explain you हाँ प्रोविजन रीड दिस प्रोविजन सॉरी ये मैं भूल गया
Okay. In an agency relationship, the revenue is the amount of commission and not the gross inflow of cash, receivables, or other consideration.
कुछ समझ में आ रहा
Although
है एजेंसी रिलेशनशिप होगा तो रेवेन्यू सिर्फ कमीशन ही होगा
Yes,
ओके
sir.
एंड रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड्स किसके पास है
Restaurant.
रेस्टोरेंट वालों के पास तो 2 points you have to write agency relationship and risk and rewards okay
Yes, sir. Also, the risks and rewards pertaining to the goods are with the entity or with the someone else would determine the seller capacity as
हाँ
principal or agency.
हाँ. So first you have to check whether risk and rewards are with seller or with suppose I will give you an example. Suppose you order 3 pizzas and you got only 2 pizzas. So to whom you are going to complain? Zomato, yes, but obvious Zomato को complain करोगे, but who will take that responsibility? Zomato will deduct one pizza charges from seller and will give it as a refund
Yes,
to
sir.
you. Okay. So risk and rewards are with seller. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And suppose in exam, if you are not writing agency relationship word and risk
Hmm.
and rewards word, you won't get marks. Out of 5,
Okay.
you will get only 2 marks then don't blame CA Institute कि भाई मार्क्स ही नहीं देती है. What students are writing, सर मैं तो करेक्ट है, मैंने तो पूरा लिखा, Zomato will get the 60 lakhs and restaurant will record 300 lakhs income. In 3 lines you have written the answer. We are expecting provision, that 2 words, agency relationship and risk and rewards. Okay,
Yes, sir.
next. Read.
AB
Easy to
sells.
understand illustration 1.
Yes, sir.
So what
When
are
I
the
read
new
it
words
on
do
my
you
own, I
understood?
didn't. Sorry, sir.
What are these 2 words which are important?
Agency relationship and risk and rewards.
Very good. Yes. Next.
AB sells goods to CD on 1st March 2021. CD is having significant cash flow issues since last few months.
Ah,
However, it is trying to raise funding through bank loan to be able to run its operations in future. On
ah.
5th of May 2021, CD is able to seek the funding and is expected to be able to pay for the goods in future. At the time of sale, it is difficult for AB to ascertain whether it will be able to collect the amount from CD due to poor financial conditions. Explain the recognition of revenue be done by AB.
You got the
This was,
concept?
yes,
No.
sir. No, I
Yes.
mean, I understood somewhat when I read it, but
Now my question is, now what happened? AB sold goods to
CD.
CD. Now at that time, CD is having problem with CD. This transaction is happened on 1st March. Still, sir, you sold goods to CD to maintain business relationship. We don't know exactly whether CD will pay us or not. But in past, we have made a huge profit by selling goods to CD. And now to maintain our business relationship, though CD is in problem, we sold goods to him. Okay. Now problem is that CD is in the financial crisis, but on 5th May, he received some funding and he paid us. हो सकता है ना, बिजनेस है.
Yes, sir.
यस, तो हो सकता है ये प्रॉब्लम. तो 5 को प्रॉब्लम में से बाहर आया, आउट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम सीडी. So when should I record the income? Suppose if I'm AB, should I record income at the time of sale or should I record income on 5th May?
On 5th May.
Then for 1st March, what is the entry you're going to pass? You sold something,
There, we will not pass revenue entry, sir. We will keep
then
it as inventory with external person.
the entry has to be written over there, no?
Hmm.
Then what will be the entry?
Maybe we show it like movement of good without the sale recognition.
debtors to suspense. And suspense might be, we will reverse it and we'll record it like goods lost by, or like a provision. Okay. Afterwards, we can reverse that entry. So now we are not sure on 1st March whether we will record it as sales or not. So on 1st March, I will record it as debtors to suspense. If within 3 months I'm not getting any confirmation, my policy is to cancel that sales, say suspense. So suspense to debtors, and I will record it as my goods lost. Okay. If confirmation of getting money is there, I will record suspense to sales. That is on 5th May. Got the concept? You can do accounting like this. Okay. Why it is kept in the suspense account? Because we don't want to recognize it as sales on 1st March. Okay. So now what is the provision? Provision says revenue should be recognized only if timing of recognition from sale of goods are fulfilled. Now, how to understand timing? Seller transfer goods to the buyer. So transfer is important. All risk and rewards are also transferred. And there is no significant uncertainty. Okay. If there is no significant uncertainty, then only you can record it as sales. So you should postpone your revenue if there is no certainty. Okay. So these 3 words are very important. Transfer, risk and rewards transfer, goods transfer, sorry, first one, risk and rewards transfer, and no significant uncertainty. If these 3 conditions are fulfilled, then only you can record it as a sales. If one of the condition is missing, you cannot record it as a sales. Got it, Sushmita? किधर गई?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So understood?
Yes, sir.
All these 3 conditions आपको fulfill करने पड़ेंगे. First one is goods transferred, risk and rewards transferred, and no significant uncertainty. And here, what is missing?
Here, uncertainty.
Certainty is missing, and therefore recovery is missing. Therefore, we should postpone our revenue. Postpone the revenue till 5th May. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ये तीनों कंडीशन लिखनी पड़ेगी आपको.
Yes, sir.
सिर्फ लिखा ये मार्क्स मिलेंगे क्या? 5th मई को रिकॉर्ड करो करके. तो ये रट्टा मार पॉइंट से जो भी मैं अंडरलाइन करके दे रहा हूं.
Yes, sir.
You have to write it properly. Chalo, take a screenshot too. So in first question, how to recognize in agency principal relationship. And
Yes,
in second question, there is if uncertainty.
Yes, sir.
So revenue is ultimate, collection is reasonable, then you will record the revenue. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Illustration 3.
Now same question. If there was no reason of AB to believe that not able to collect the amount. Now what happened? You sold goods, CD is having significant cash flows. Then on 15th March, his condition is not good. CD condition. So at the time of sale, there was no uncertainty. But now uncertainty is happening on 15th of March. Now what you will do?
We would have already recognized.
We already recognize as a sale, and we are not able to collect money. So now I will record it as a provision for doubtful debts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So illustration 2 and illustration 3 mein, what is the difference? At the time of sale, there is no uncertainty. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will record it as revenue first. And then when his condition is not good, I will record it as a bad debts. So
Yes, sir.
first here, in question number 3, you postpone the revenue. In question number 2. And in question number 3, you are not postpone the revenue. You recognize the revenue on 1st Jan, and on 15th March, you recognize it as a bad debts. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो दोनों का डिफरेंस समझ में आया क्या आपको?
Yes, sir.
तो आंसर विल बी सेम, प्रोविजन विल बी सेम, ओनली कंक्लूजन विल बी डिफरेंट. कंक्लूजन में फर्स्ट यू रिकॉग्नाइज रेवेन्यू एंड देन रिकॉर्डेड द बैड डेट्स.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट ना.
Done,
टेकन?
sir.
Easy to understand?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yes. Next. During the year ended 31st March, ZX Enterprises has recognized 100 lakhs on accrual basis from income from dividend. The dividends on mutual funds were declared on 15th June 2001. That is in the next year. But we have recorded dividend in advance.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure about dividend income or are you sure about interest income?
Interest income.
Dividend is only if declared by the company. Okay, interest is recorded on the accrual basis. I can understand that. How dividend can be recognized on the accrual basis? Is it correct?
No,
कि
sir.
पिछले साल मुझे डिविडेंड दिया था इसलिए इस साल डिविडेंड देगा. लास्ट ईयर आई गॉट द डिविडेंड सो कंपनी विल गिव मी डिविडेंड इन द करंट ईयर आल्सो. नो, company may declare dividend, company may not declare dividend, though they are in profits.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dividend, how to write the answer? Right to receive of payment is get established, then only this sentence has to be written. Huh? Right to receive payment is established, then only you can recognize the revenue.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I
Now
have a
interest.
doubt.
Huh.
Here, dividend interest doesn't all this come under other income rather
Other
than
income,
Okay.
yes. But standard is overall income. So I have
Okay.
to understand, I have to write revenue also, I have to write services also, I have to write interest, dividend and royalty also. So
Okay.
every income I will consider over here.
Yes, sir.
So certain resources, 10 lakhs, interest. So how to recognize interest on time basis? And royalty I have to recognize on accrual basis. When goods are sold by him, I will record this as accrual. Means what? So he sold goods, though he has not paid the royalty, I will record it as income.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so royalty is always on accrual basis. And interest is on
Time proportion.
prime proportion basis. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. Screenshot number
5.
5. 4 and 5. Dividend is on right to receive is established. Interest on time basis and royalty on accrual basis.
Yes.
These three words are very important. Huh? Interest, dividend is on
Right to receive.
is established. Huh?
Yes.
And interest on
Time proportion basis.
and royalty on
Accrual basis.
yes. Favorite question. Next.
The board of directors decided on 31st March 2022 to increase the sale price of certain items retrospectively from 1st Jan 2022.
So now what happened? I will tell you. I sold you goods already
Yes, sir.
at 500 rupees. And now I am
Okay.
calling you, see, cylinder prices are rise. Now you pay me 550 rupees, extra 50 rupees. Because we have revised our amounts, so please pay me 50 rupees extra.
Yes, sir.
So should I record that 50 rupees in my books as income?
But how will customer pay the money?
Sir, how customer is agreed to it? No, customer is not going to agree. मैंने आपको माल बेच दिया 500 में, फिर मैं कॉल करके बोल रहा हूं अरे मेरे से गलती हुआ, वो सिलेंडर प्राइसेस बढ़ गए तो अभी आप 50 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा भेजो. कौन एक्सेप्ट करेगा भाई? कोई एक्सेप्ट करेगा?
No, sir.
बोलेंगे पागल हो गए क्या सर आप? पहले माल बेचा उसी टाइम पे बोलने को नहीं होता क्या? झगड़ा करने आओगे आप? तो मैंने बिल बिल मार दिया आपके ऊपर 50 रुपए का. और कुछ अभी सपोज विजुअल बोल रहे हैं सर ठीक है होता है आपसे गलती हुआ. विजुअल बोला सर मैं समझ सकता हूँ आप भी क्राइसिस में हो, ये लो 50 रुपए मेरे से रख लो. अभी जब 50 रुपए वो देगा तब मैं इनकम रिकॉर्ड करूंगा ना.
Yes, sir.
ओके, वो एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. सुष्मिता बोली मैं नहीं एक्सेप्ट करूंगी सर, मैंने तो 500 आपने डील किया था 500 में, अभी काय को मुकर रहे हो आप? तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड दैट 50 रुपीज एज इनकम टिल कस्टमर इज रेडी टू पे दैट. ओके,
Yes, sir.
वी हैव टू राइट दिस एज इनकम. हाँ, तो व्हेन एबिलिटी टू असेस द अल्टीमेट कलेक्शन, सेंटेंस देखो ना ये, टू राइट दिस सेंटेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन केस ऑफ प्रोविजन. Only 5-6 words are there which you have to write it in the exam, and examiner will be very happy. 80% students will write this additional revenue is not the income, but you will write ability to assess the ultimate collection with reasonable certainty is lacking, then revenue should be postponed. Okay,
Yes, sir.
ये सेंटेंस लिखा तो you'll get marks. Very easy. Ability to assess means ability to calculate the ultimate collection. Ultimate collection means that extra 50 rupees with reasonable certainty. Not sure about this 50 is lacking. Not sure means reasonable certainty is lacking. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is our law language. Reasonable certainty is lacking, or accounting standard language. Then revenue recognition is postponed.
Yes,
जब
sir.
तक वो 50 एक्सेप्ट नहीं होता है तब तक पोस्टपोन करो. ओके, एंड व्हेन
Yes, sir.
अल्टीमेट कलेक्शन इज पॉसिबल, रीजनेबली सर्टन रिकॉग्नाइज व्हेन रीजनेबली सर्टन अल्टीमेट कलेक्शन. रीजनेबली सर्टन मतलब विजुअल ने हाँ बोल दिया, प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो गया, तब ये हम लोग बोलेंगे अल्टीमेट कलेक्शन इज पॉसिबल. ओके,
Yes, sir.
तो अंडरस्टूड द एग्जांपल.
Yes,
And
sir.
wordings you have to recall. So at the time of writing, please make sure that you are able to recall all these things and one day before exam.
Yes, sir.
तो ये सब रेड पेन से लिखो, जो मैंने अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है ना
Hmm.
वो सब रेड पेन से लिखना.
Okay, sir.
So it will be easy for you, or at least do highlighting.
Yes, sir.
आप करते हो हाईलाइट? मैं जो आपको ऐसे अंडरलाइन करके देता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Done, sir.
नेक्स्ट.
A
यस सर.
claim lodged with the railways in March 2021 for
हाँ.
loss of goods of 2 lakh has been passed for payment in March 2023
हाँ,
for
मतलब
rupees
मार्च
12 lakh.
21 में गुड्स लॉस हुए एंड यू आर रिसीविंग इट इन मार्च 23. No entry has been passed in the books of the company when the claim was lodged. Claim कब lodge हुआ था? On March 2001, and I am recording my income in 2001. Is it allowed? If I record my income in 2001, I lost goods
No.
2 lakhs, but I am sure that I will get it from the railway
Hmm.
or from the insurance company. So I will record this as income in 2001. Allowed है क्या?
No, sir.
No. When I will record the income, when that payment is getting sanctioned by the insurance company. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will record this in the 31st March 2003 का accounts. 2001 में नहीं record करूंगा.
Okay.
Here also, okay,
Yes, sir. Ultimate correction.
सेम क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir.
एंड एज पर AS5 का रेफरेंस भी देना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
दिस इज एक्सेप्शनल आइटम. ओके.
Okay.
दिस इज नॉट प्रायर पेड आइटम. दिस इज एक्सेप्शनल आइटम.
Hmm.
हाँ, तो 1,50,000 कब आपको मिलने वाला है?
2023.
हाँ, 20. एंड दिस कैनॉट बी टेकन एज द प्रायर पेड आइटम और एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी आइटम.
Yes, sir.
23 में यू आर गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड इट. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
शॉर्ट सेल. इजी.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट.
Done, sir.
हाँ, वन मोर क्वेश्चन. चलो.
GH manufactures and sells televisions. The televisions are shipped to the customer by sea. In order to transfer risk related to the shipment of the televisions,
हाँ,
GH also gets an insurance coverage for the goods while they are in transit from the factory to the customer's location.
हाँ,
The insurance policy will reimburse GH for the value of goods in the event of loss or damage arising anytime up to these goods reaching customer's location.
हाँ,
The legal title passes when the goods arrive at the customer's premises 1 month later. When should
हाँ.
the entity GH recognize revenue in its books? After it reaches customer's location.
Why?
Because that is when risk is being transferred.
Not transfer risk and rewards when goods depart from the factory.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, when goods are arrived at the customer premises, then only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So risk and rewards are with GH till goods are arrived at the customer's premises.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, you should not record the revenue in that if goods risk and rewards are not transferred. सिर्फ do one thing, visual TY के 6 का आंसर मुझे मेरे स्टाइल में लिख के देना. प्रोविजन एंड प्रोविजन में यू हैव टू राइट दिस 3 कंडीशंस. प्रोविजन में क्या लिखना है आपको? 3 कंडीशंस एंड देन दिस इज अ कंक्लूजन. दिस इज द कंक्लूजन. प्रोविजन यू हैव टू राइट सिमिलर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर. कौन सा सिमिलर क्वेश्चन था? ओनरशिप. हाँ, इलस्ट्रेशन 2. प्रोविजन इलस्ट्रेशन 2 का लिखना. एंड कंक्लूजन में ले लिखना.
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट.
The following information of Meghna Limited is provided. Goods of
एक ही मिनिट.
60,000.
एक ही मिनिट.
Yes, sir.
प्रोविजन आणि कन्क्लुजन आहे. प्रोविजन इलस्ट्रेशन 2 चली. कन्क्लुजन हे ली. फॅक्ट्स विज्युअल पाठवेल. विज्युअल फॅक्ट्स भेज दे ना भैया को. आणि सगळं अंडरलाईन केलंय मी. नेक्स्ट. हाँ, बोलिए.
Goods of 60,000 were sold on 20 March, but at the request of the buyer, these were delivered on 10th April.
तो रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ द बायर our ownership is already transferred. We are
Yes, sir.
having those goods in our custody. If goods are lost, we are not responsible for that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here you should record, if buyer's request, you should record it immediately.
Yes, sir.
Next one. On 15th Jan of 1,50,000 goods are sent on consignment and 20% goods are lying with consignee. So only 80% you will record it as a sale, because in consignment he is like agent. So how much income you are going to record? Only
80%.
80%. 20% is not your income. So 2 lakhs is not your 1,50,000 is not your income. 1,50,000 into 80% is only your income, correct?
Yes, sir.
Third case. If goods are sold on approval, so when you will record on approval, when goods are accepted by him, and second one, when goods are, our approval period is over and he has not returned the goods, correct?
Yes, sir.
तो दो कंडीशंस हुए तो ही सेल रिकॉर्ड हो सकता है. इफ ही एक्सेप्ट्स गुड्स एंड ही सेंड हिज एक्सेप्टेंस टू अस, एंड सेकंड वन, टाइम पीरियड इज ओवर.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So third one is also simple. You can read it and you can write it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Revenue not recognized until formally accepted. Number one, formally accepted by the head, and time period for rejection is elapsed, has elapsed.
So what is act adopting the transaction?
Huh?
Buyer has done an act adopting the transaction.
Buyer?
Has done an act adopting the transaction. The second one.
So he accepted it, or
Okay,
some,
same thing. Okay.
okay. So he has done he's using those goods every day. So
Yes.
that is the act. We called him. He's telling you, yes, goods are really good. We want to retain it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the act of the transaction.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Formally accepted or has done act of the adopting is number 2, and number 3 is time has been elapsed.
Yes, sir.
विजुअल प्लीज इसको 1 2 3 ऐसे 3 इसमें करना, तो इट विल बी इजी फॉर अस. तो केस 3 का ये प्रोविजन है. मैं इधर लिखता हूँ विजुअल भेजेगा, ये मतलब उसको ध्यान में आएगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, द कंपनी हैज मेड कैश सेल्स and trade discount is given. Trade discount is you are recording it separately or you are deducting it from the revenue.
Deducting from revenue.
And cash discount will be recorded it separately. So in case of cash discount, I will record 7,80,000 and 39,000 I will record it separately. Yes, on the P&L debit side. And this is, though it is cash discount, it is a trade discount. It is not the cash discount. You are paying me immediately. I am giving you 5% discount. It is not cash discount. Cash discount was exactly, cash discount is, I have given you 1 month ka period. You are paying me 15 days before, and therefore I am allowing you some discount. So that will be cash discount.
Yes, sir.
But suppose if I am giving you at the time of purchase only, so that is trade discount. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at the time of purchase, it will be a trade discount. At the time of payment, after 15 days, after 1 month, if I am giving you any discount, that will be called as cash discount.
Yes,
okay? So cash discount will be recorded separately. Trade discount is deducted from the revenue. So I will record revenue as 7,41,000. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next. 8 number.
For the year ended 31st March 2021, KY Enterprises has entered into the following transaction. On 31st March 2021, KY supplied 2 machines to its customers, ST. Both machines were accepted.
You read it. TYK 8 and 9. And please do not refer the answer and try to apply theory of this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before that, in concept book, what you have to write? In concept book. So tell me, how many types of revenue?
3 types of revenue. Sale of goods, rendering of service, and other income. Interest, dividend, and royalty.
Write down. Take a screenshot. Concept book, you have to write this.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
When to record sale of goods? Acha, does not deals with hire purchase transaction. S19 is applicable. Construction contract, no revenue will be recognized over here. Insurance contract, no. And government grant also, as per S12. So grant is receiving, so that is not your revenue, day-to-day revenue. So as per S12, you are going to book it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this standard is not deals with this four because other standard deals with this.
Yes, sir.
Sale of goods already told you that three conditions. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So these three conditions you have to write first. Next. Different scenarios. Delivery of goods at the buyer's request. We already covered. On
Yes, sir.
approval basis, we already covered. Inspection. Remember, after inspection it's completed, then only you will record it. Okay. Though goods are produced, but inspection is done, then only you will record it as income.
Yes, sir.
Sales and repurchase agreement. Now, what is this? I'm going to tell you afterwards. So you just note down it. This is a pending part from my side. Trade discount, we won't record. Cash discount, we record. We don't deduct it from the revenue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And consignment sales, we will record only if goods are sold to third party.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Correct?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Now, rendering of services, I'm not going to explain it now. First, you will write it and I will explain you after break because you will tell me exactly what are these two methods.
Yes, sir.
And income from other sources, interest on time basis, royalty on accrual basis, and dividend is on right to receive is established.
Yes, sir.
Effects of uncertainties, ultimate collection, you remember that sentence?
Yes, sir.
You will postpone the revenue. And ultimate collection is afterwards you are getting it. So you will record it as provision for doubtful debts, correct?
Yes, sir.
Illustration 2 for this, illustration 3 for this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Agency relationship, we already completed that Zomato.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And disclosure. If disclosure mein, if revenue is postponed, then you will record the resolution. You will disclose it. Why?
Yes.
You postpone the income.
Hmm.
Standard is easy or not easy?
Easy, sir.
Visual was saying me कि थोड़ा सा difficult था language. Visual difficult है बेटा?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन से लगा था मुझे, लेकिन अब क्लियर हो गया सर।
Sentences समझ गए पूरे?
हाँ हाँ सर, वही सेंटेंसेस की बात थी, एबिलिटी टू असेस द अल्टीमेट कलेक्शन हो गया।
वो easy sentence थे. Just आपको वो लैंग्वेज इसलिए समझ में नहीं आया अल्टीमेट कलेक्शन और ये सब. वो इजी था. दैट इज प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेट्स.
यस सर।
पर थोड़ा टेक्निकल है ये स्टैंडर्ड में. टेक्निकल मतलब वो 5-6 सेंटेंस है बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. वो सेल ऑफ गुड्स में वो 3 सेंटेंस लिखने. अल्टीमेट कलेक्शन
गुड्स
का एक
ट्रांसफर,
सेंटेंस याद
रिस्क
करना.
रिवॉर्ड्स
और
ट्रांसफर, और वो नो
वो तो आपका आई
सिग्निफिकेंट।
थिंक सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट में भी हुआ रहेगा शायद
हाँ
से.
हाँ सर, सोगा में हुआ था ये
सोगा में आपने
सब कुछ।
फाउंडेशन में किया था. सुष्मिता माइट बी यू आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट सोगा. एट इंटरमीडिएट यू डोंट हैव सोगा ना?
No, sir.
नो सर, नो।
हाँ, तो सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट में इन फाउंडेशन दे वेर हैविंग सेम सेंटेंसेस जो अभी उनको मैंने आपको बताए. सेल ऑफ गुड्स के
Okay.
3 सेंटेंस वो बस. ठीक है.
सर
एनी
मेरा एक
डिफिकल्टी इन
डाउट था।
अंडरस्टैंडिंग? हाँ,
सर
बोलिए.
मेरा डाउट था, सर ये जब हमने पहला वाला इलस्ट्रेशन किया था वो जिगाटो वाला, सर
हाँ,
हम रियल लाइफ में सर एज पर गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से सर जो जीएसटी होता है वो जोमेटो पे करता है। मतलब दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज अ डीम्ड सप्लायर, और दे कलेक्ट लायबिलिटी जीएसटी की पे करने की जोमेटो पे होती है,
वो
रेस्टोरेंट पे नहीं
अलग
होती,
है.
whether they are
जोमेटो
under।
सुनो,
हाँ।
जोमेटो का जो बिलिंग होता है ना, वो रेस्टोरेंट वालों का अलग होता है. और जोमेटो वालों बाद में कमीशन वगैरह चार्जेस कैलकुलेट करके, जीएसटी कैलकुलेट करके रिमेनिंग अमाउंट इसमें भेज देता है. ठीक है. तो वो अकाउंटिंग अलग होता है. वो सिर्फ कमीशन का अकाउंटिंग वो लोग कैसे करते हैं, वो भी जीएसटी कलेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है.
हम्म।
और अपने को भी जीएसटी जो है वो अपन भी उनको चार्ज करते हैं. मतलब अपने सेल्स बिल में वो इनपुट तो मिलने वाला नहीं है. तो हम लोग सिर्फ बाद में क्या करते, जितना भी कमीशन उनको पे किया उनका तो स्प्लिट करके देते वो लोग बिल. कमीशन इतना है, जीएसटी इतना हमने पे करना है. तो अपन क्या करते, पूरा का पूरा जितना भी वो लोगों ने कमीशन एक्सपेंसेस किया ना, मतलब जीएसटी प्लस जो भी उनका कमीशन है, वो पूरा हम लोग एक्सपेंडिचर बता देते हैं. गॉट इट?
अच्छा।
हाँ, वो उनका
तो
स्प्लिट
सर
करना
ये
है. रेस्टोरेंट वाले क्या करते हैं उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है उस उनको, कि जोमेटो क्या कर रहा है. और जोमेटो क्या करता है, जोमेटो वो 18% का उनको सेट ऑफ मिल जाता है.
हाँ
वो बिकॉज दिस सर्विस का 18% सर्विस का चार्ज करते हैं, तो जोमेटो वालों के लिए वो क्रेडिट अवेलेबल रहता है, पर रेस्टोरेंट वाले के लिए क्रेडिट अवेलेबल नहीं है। तो वो जोमेटो का कमीशन प्लस जीएसटी पेड बाय जोमेटो, मतलब कलेक्टेड बाय जोमेटो, वो दोनों भी ऐड करके उतना चार्जेस लगा देती है। आया समझ में एक्सपेंस में?
ओके ओके
जाने दो
ओके।
विजुअल, वो थोड़ा सा आप रियल लाइफ देखोगे तब ध्यान में आ जाएगा आपको।
ठीक है सर।
यस,
ठीक है सर।
बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में मत जाओ कभी कभी। यस, सुष्मिता जी, कितना
Yes,
टाइम?
sir. To write concept.
कॉन्सेप्ट प्लस इलस्ट्रेशन ऑल्सो यू टू राइट।
Okay.
पूरा समझ गया ना? पर ऑल थिंग्स
Yes,
इजी।
sir. Yes, sir.
some examples are not yet covered, तो examples I will cover after break।
Okay,
तो
sir.
क्या होता है, सेशन विल बी डिवाइडेड, तो अभी आज ही लिख लो बिकॉज यू हैव लेस टाइम फॉर योर पास्ट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस। ओके, तो परसों अपना इमीडिएट सेशन है, तो आपको पास्ट क्वेश्चन सब देखने हैं S9 के और 7 के, तो कंप्लीट कर लो। और रिमेनिंग सम इलस्ट्रेशन मैं 9 o'clock तक टाइम देता हूँ, जितना हो सकता है। 8:45 इज ओके, 8:50,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, 9 o'clock चलो ले लो, पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। ओके, अप टू 9 o'clock एवरीथिंग यू टू राइट।
Yes, sir.
बाकी कोई
Sir, TY
डिफिकल्टी है
के
क्या?
screenshots नहीं दिए.
दिया ना? नहीं दिए?
TY के तो नहीं दिए.
नहीं दिया, वेट, आई थिंक दिया मैंने। अ, अच्छा ठीक है। एंड राइट डाउन मीन्स क्लास में ही लिखोगे तो इजीली हो जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
आपको अकाउंट्स को टाइम नहीं मिलता होगा ना इतना, बाकी सब्जेक्ट की वजह से।
नहीं sir. ये I mean I'm doing only accounts. Done sir.
अकाउंट से इतना प्यार क्यों हो गया है?
मुझे
इजी
पहले से
लग
ही बहुत पसंद है sir.
इजी भी
Done.
लगता है।
Yes sir. Done sir.
नोटबुक कंप्लीट है
Done sir. Yes sir.
पूरा?
हाँ.
जो भी पेंडिंग है वो
Done.
लिख के रखो, बाद में याद नहीं आता है क्या पेंडिंग है।
Yes sir.
एक पेंडिंग नोटबुक सिर्फ रख देना, मतलब किधर तो लास्ट पेज पे ये मेरा पेंडिंग है करके, और जैसे
Yes.
जैसे पेंडिंग काम कंप्लीट होगा टिक करते जाओ।
Yes sir.
थोड़ा सिस्टमेटिक रखो, हाँ?
Yes sir.
हाँ, चलो
Done.
स्टार्ट।
सर MCQ 1 भी लेंगे क्या?
हाँ, मैं देख लेता हूँ एमसीक्यू। हाँ
हाँ, ये वाला चैप्टर में भी MCQ 1.
हाँ।
Yes.
चलो स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज कंप्लीट इट फास्ट। अरे ओवर क्या, कितना टाइम? ओनली वन हैंड इज रेज। ईशा कंप्लीटेड बेटा? अन्य कितना बाकी है बेटा?
Sir, illustration 3 पर हूँ पे।
अरे बाप रे।
So concept book लिख रही हूँ।
हो गया ना कॉन्सेप्ट बुक?
Yes, sir.
ये लिखो लिखो। नहीं नहीं। चलो विजुअल हो गया बेटा?
यस सर, हो गया।
अरे बाप रे, क्या लिखते हो, क्या मजाक करते हो बेटा?
सर लिखता ही हूँ।
इतना फास्ट किसे हो जान। ठीक है। राइटिंग अच्छा है सुमित इसका, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मतलब रीडेबल है। ऐसा बहुत
हम्म।
बढ़िया नहीं है पर रीडेबल है।
तो
और वो
स्टार्टिंग
स्पीड
में बहुत
चाहिए।
अच्छी बनाई थी मैंने, लेकिन अभी क्या होता है ना कि जल्दी जल्दी करना पड़ता है क्योंकि डेकोरेशन का टाइम नहीं है, पढ़ना भी तो है सर।
तो अभी पर रीडेबल अच्छा है उसका हैंड राइटिंग की, ऐसा नहीं है। पर स्पीड वो रखना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज एग्जाम स्पीड से ही लिखता है लगता है बंदा। कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स अच्छे से लिखते हैं। कीप योर बुक गुड। बाद में रीड को होने की, उसका हैंड राइटिंग भी अच्छा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि खराब है, फास्ट लिखता है तो भी। मैं इतना फास्ट लिखूंगा तो मेरा हैंड राइटिंग बहुत खराब आएगा। इलस्ट्रेशन 4 और 5 मेरे हिसाब से गलत है। मेरे हिसाब से क्या आंसर होने चाहिए थे ये भी लिख के देता हूँ।
यस।
मेरे हिसाब से आंसर होना चाहिए था कॉस्ट इनकर्ड टिल डेट इज इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस फ्यूचर कॉस्ट 50, तो टोटल कॉस्ट इज 410। तो आंसर इज 360 अपॉन 410
4-1।
इंटू 370, ये आंसर होना चाहिए था। तो ऑलमोस्ट
324
324, ये आंसर
पॉइंट एट
आना
एज
चाहिए था।
25।
325 आना चाहिए था।
हाँ सर।
तो
सर है नहीं ऑप्शन में।
ये आंसर ही नहीं है इसमें।
हम्म।
एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन, एक्सपेंसेस आपका 360 प्लस प्रोविजन फॉर लॉस, एक्चुअल लॉस 325 माइनस 360 35, और एस्टिमेटेड लॉस 410। एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कितने का है बेटा?
सर
370।
370।
कितना हुआ डिफरेंस?
सर 40।
विच ओवर इज हायर?
एस्टिमेटेड इज हायर।
तो आंसर शुड बी 365।
365 सर।
तो प्रोविजन फॉर लॉस इज एक्स्ट्रा 5 रुपीज।
यस सर।
now I prepare कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट, तो देखो कैसे बनेगा। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट 360, 5 रुपीज लॉस, रेवेन्यू साइड पे 325, एंड प्रोविजन फॉर लॉस 360 प्लस 5 माइनस 325 मीन्स 40। देखो टैली हो रहा है क्या?
40 40 40 टैली है सर।
दिस इज माई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट। तो मेरा आंसर आना चाहिए था इधर 324 पॉइंट कितना रे बेटा?
8 8।
8 से 325, एंड इधर आना चाहिए था
360।
365।
ये मैम को भेज दो सर करेक्शन के लिए।
तू लिख के भेजेगा क्या अच्छे से, फिर मैं भेजता हूँ।
हाँ सर पूरा आंसर बना के भेज दो।
यस, सुष्मिता, रेज योर हैंड।
Yes, sir.
इजी नाउ?
Yes, sir.
यू आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर?
Yes, sir.
So I have to rectify these answers. Any other changes that you want to do?
No, sir. In this, I think that is.
Okay. विजुअल हमारे कौन से क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हुए थे जो बाकी है S7 के? बोलो जल्दी से। विजुअल। सुमित, कौन से क्वेश्चंस बाकी है बताओ जरा. Sushmita, questions left.
I think TYK 11 was not done.
TYK 11, yes, sir.
TYK 11.
Yes, sir.
And remaining questions?
Completed.
Have you tried 11?
Completed. Yes, sir.
9 number is also left or not? No,
9
we
is done,
completed.
sir.
No, sir.
Completed. Only 11th is remaining.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आया क्या नहीं आया?
मुझे तो आया सर.
सुमित?
So मैं तो confused था थोड़ा.
ठीक है. सुष्मिता, read 11 number.
RT Enterprises has entered into a fixed price contract for construction of a tower with its customers. Initial tender price agreed is 220 crores. At the start,
So initial price is 220 crores. Okay. So similar to that, 220 crores here. I want to tell you,
at the start of the contract, it is estimated that total contracts to be incurred will be 200 crores.
so total contract. So here 220, 200.
At the end of year 1, this estimate stands revised to 202 crores. Assume that the contract is expected to be completed in 3 years.
202 is the actual cost. Okay. And
During year 2, the customer has requested for a variation in the contract.
wait,
As a
wait, wait,
result,
wait, wait, wait. So 202 is the at the end of the contract. And contract cost first year. Yes, I will write over here. Sorry, 52.5 to 52.52.
yes, sir.
Second year
154.2
154.2
minus
minus
2.5.
2.5 and 205 is total. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And at the first year, what was your estimated profit? 220 minus 202, 18 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Year 2,
Total contract value increased by 5 crores.
so 5 crores means 225
Cost will increase by 3 crores.
and 225 minus
205.
205. So your estimated profit is 20.
20.
And last year, actual profit, yes, 225 only
Yes, sir.
and 205. So this is a replica of question number
9.
9. सुमित, क्या डिफिकल्ट था बेटा इसमें? थोड़ा पढ़ लिया होता तो समझ में आया होता कि ये तो 9 नंबर ही है पूरा.
Yes. Sir, actually time नहीं मिला था तो ये हम छूट गया था मेरा.
ये बोलो ना, टाइम नहीं मिला ये बोल सकते हो. ये कैसे बोल सकते हो कि आया ही नहीं? सेम क्वेश्चन. See, contract revenue is 220. Contract price 220 into 52.52 divided by 202, 26%. Correct? 57.2. And contract revenue 57.2, contract expense 52.52, profit is 4.68. कॉपी पेस्ट क्वेश्चन था ये तो सुष्मिता।
Yes, sir.
ईयर 2 में फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रेवेन्यू, देन वी विल डिडक्ट फर्स्ट ईयर रेवेन्यू, and then we will deduct first year expenses and calculate the profit.
Yes, sir.
And third year, first year income minus expenses of 2 years and total contract expenses. Contract expense कैसे आए?
205
205.
minus
हाँ
205 minus 52.52
हाँ
minus
माइनस सेकंड ईयर का एक्सपेंस इज
151 point.
19.99.18.
हाँ
53.3. Correct?
yes, sir.
Or here you can take 225 minus first year income is 57.2 minus
Second year is
109.3.
109.3.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात थी? Only this question.
Yes, sir.
And last point of the day is 9 का explanation. Okay, any other doubt? S7 we have completed.
Yes, sir.
Remaining 2-3 questions we are going to discuss in the next class. That is your homework. Some TYK.
Yes, sir.
Which TYK we have not completed of S9?
AS9, 8 and 9.
So that you are going to complete it as homework and we'll discuss it in the next class. And what is the remaining homework?
Previous year question.
Previous year's questions. Yes. If you complete all these things, so I don't think you have any difficulty. Sale and repurchase agreement. What is sales and repurchase agreement? See, I sold you my mobile and again I am buying it from you at higher price, at on installment. Assume I'm in need of funds. I'm in need of funds, so I sold you mobile, but I don't want to give possession of my mobile. So I sold you at for 50,000, and I'm buying from you for 12 installments, 5,000 per installment. So 60,000, I'm taking it from you at 60,000. So extra 10,000 is my interest amount. I should not recognize that as revenue, but I should recognize only expenses of 10,000. See, I sold you my mobile at 50,000. So this is selling price. Correct, Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
And again, I am buying from you, purchasing at
60,000.
5,000 installment for 12 months. So can I call 10,000, 50,000 as income and 60,000 as purchase, or 10,000 as interest charges?
10,000 as interest.
So here I won't record it as revenue, but I will record it as finance expenses. Now you got this?
Yes, sir.
You want to write this example? You can
Yes,
write
sir.
it
Yes,
over
sir.
there. Illustration, point number 4 in concept book.
Yes,
Selling
sir.
price is selling price and PP means purchase price on installment.
Yes, sir.
What is my benefit?
I will get
I am getting
short-term cash
50,000
flow.
from you,
Hmm.
correct? And I
Yes,
am
sir.
using same mobile on same mobile. ठीक है?
Hmm.
हाँ. And 60,000 ये मेरा आपका फायदा क्या होगा सपोज इसमें?
लोन टाइप आएगा ना सर?
Understood, Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Written?
Yes, sir.
Last explanation. Rendering of services. Proportionate completion means like percentage completion.
Yes, sir.
So you will identify degree of completion. For example, where I'm using proportionate method, for example, suppose normally in construction contract, but this is not allowed as per S7, S9 में cover नहीं होगा. But suppose if I'm a interior designer, I am your
Yes, sir.
आवाज क्यों है सुष्मिता सराउंडिंग?
Background noise.
Suppose if I am your interior designer and I have completed 40% of the construction of your home. So I will record my, suppose my interior charges are 1 lakh rupee. So I will record 40,000 as my income on proportionate basis. And second method is CCM. When we have completed contract, means suppose I'm advertisement agent. When I publish your advertise in my newspaper, then only I will record it as my income. If advertisement is not published, I'm not going to record it as income. Okay, I will record it as advance. Okay, you paid me 1 lakh rupee for advertisement. So 1 lakh rupee if you paid me, when I will record it as advance, and when I will establish or I will show that advertisement or publish that advertisement in newspaper, then only I will record 1 lakh as my income. Till that, I won't record it as income. That is called as completed service method. Now, business to business, you have to decide. So service rendering might be based on proportionate method, might be based on completion method. Okay, so this is the logic of S9. So sir, which services are covered under CCM? So normally in which you are liable to provide 100% service, so that will be completed. You can leave that service and take only part payment, so that is proportionate method. So it depends on business to business. So service industry is bigger industry as compared to sale of goods. So in that case, we are recording services on the basis of completed service, CCM or PCM. PCM is proportionate completion method and CCM is completed service method. CSM, sorry. So this is called as rendering of services. I hope you understood it. बहुत easily समझ में आया होगा. So this is all for today's session. Okay. So thank you. Do you have any query? If you have any query, you can ask me. Yes, Anil ji.
Sushmita.
हाँ.
Sir, MCQ 1.
MCQ 1 of S9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anil ji, what is your query? Which of the condition mentioned is recognized revenue? The entity does not retain any control where goods are dispatched to the buyer. Revenue can be measured reliably. ये तो है नहीं. Supplier is paid for the goods. No. It is reasonably certain that buyer will pay the goods. 1, 2 and 5. Revenue can be measured reliably is not there in the standard. Revenue is already there. The supplier is paid for the goods, ये भी नहीं आएगा because supplier का कोई संबंध नहीं है. And buyer has paid the goods, वो भी संबंध नहीं है. It is reasonably certain that. Sushmita, understood?
Okay. Because I got confused. The goods are dispatched to the buyer. So, I mean, risk and rewards transferred to the buyer would make more sense.
Means we do not retain any ownership.
Okay.
Okay. Does not retain any ownership. Ownership is transferred in simple language.
Okay, sir.
ईशा बेटा डाउट? विजुअल डाउट?
नहीं सर, क्लियर सर।
चलो ठीक है, वाइंड अप कंप्लीट करो। अशोक जी, सेशन ओवर। Thank you. Please complete your homework. Past questions already uploaded.